Hello everyone. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove prefixes or how to remove suffixes from your string. So let me just explain you the first one, that is remove prefixes. So if you want to understand about what is meant by prefix and suffix, you just have to go to any browser. Let me just go to this browser, and here this is my YouTube channel, and this particular link is nothing but the URL of my YouTube channel. Now I'm just heading back to this VS Code, and let me just create a particular variable with the name YT channel URL equal to, I'm just passing the copied link of my channel inside this double quotes. So the objective for me now is to only grab this channel name, that is 11 AM coder. I don't want anything except this particular name. So I have to remove all this entire thing. I have to remove it. So I'm just copying this thing which I want to remove it. Now here I'm just using print function. Inside print function, I want to call my variable, that is YouTube channel URL, and I'm just using dot function dot extension, because whenever you want to use a method, you have to use a dot extension. So I'm just using dot extension, and here I just want to use remove prefix. So I'm actually pressing this parenthesis. Okay. Now inside the parenthesis, I have to pass that particular string which I want to get rid of. For example, I don't want the string that is starting from at the rate to towards the left, extreme left. Eh, So I just want to remove this entire thing. So I'm just copying it and I'm just pasting it inside the braces here. Okay. So now I'm just saving my file, and if I just try to run this thing, see here, out of my entire URL, Python has already removed this entire unwanted part, that is https youtube.com at the rate. Till at the rate, it has removed everything, and it has only given me the required one, that is my channel name, that is 11 AM coder. Perfect. Now this is the use case of remove prefix method. Now I'm going to explain what is meant by this remove suffix method. So what do you mean by this remove suffix method? It's pretty much similar. For example, I just want to use print function. Now here I'm calling this variable, that is YT channel URL. Now this time I want to use remove suffix. I'm just opening my parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, I have to pass the string that I want to remove. So for example, here earlier I have passed this particular string, that is HTTPS, YouTube, etc., that I want to remove. Okay. Now I have to pass this particular string, which is my channel name, that is at the rate 11 AM coder. I don't want my channel name to be present over here. I just want to go to the YouTube. So if you want to go to the YouTube, not particularly to my channel, then this is the URL that we have to use, that https www.youtube.com. Till this particular point, I need this to be present as my output, and I don't want my channel name to be present or to be included in my output. So I just want to get rid of my channel name. So for that, what do we have to do is, I just have to select this particular string, which is unwanted string, starting from the / till R. So I'm just copying this entire thing and I'm just passing it inside the method of remove suffix. Here, we just have to pass this within double quotes. Okay. Now I'm just saving my file and I'm just hitting run. See here. Now this time I have only got HTTPS colon // www.youtube.com. So this is the URL that we want to get if you want to navigate it to the YouTube interface, not particularly to my channel. So this is how you can use remove suffix method and remove prefix method. So that's it.